Hello everyone, I'm so excited to make this video today. As you can see, we're with a 1993 Volvo 245, the 240 wagon here. With winter coming to an end and spring right around the corner, I'm getting this Volvo ready to be what I'm hopefully driving primarily all summer. Before we get to the main feature of this, I want to share a little bit of what I've done recently. One that you might have noticed right away are these Thule crossbar roof racks. I had to buy a special kind that mounted on the gutter, and just the other evening I drove a sudden 6-hour round trip to pick these bad boys up. I can experiment with the distance on the roof depending on what I'm carrying, but I'm excited to mount kayaks, canoes, mountain bike, and really anything else on this wagon. I love the utilitarian aspect, but I also love how cool these old Volvo 240 wagons look with stuff on the roof. Now, the second thing I want to point out real quick before we dive in is just the fact that I fixed the odometer just this evening by removing the gauge cluster and replacing the two main odometer drive gears with a fresh replacement set from IPD Volvo. My old gear was clearly brittle and missing teeth, so that was an obvious issue solved, and now the odometer is turning again, clicking away for the first time in years. This is also a fresh taillight housing, also from IPD Volvo, because some tabs on the inside on the last one were broken, as well as on some bulb holders. So I reordered those so that I could have the proper connections so my taillights would actually work all the time. So those are just a few small orders of business in getting this car ready to enjoy a little bit more complete. But the primary thing I'm excited to do today is to throw on these beautiful factory Volvo 240 wheels. I've got the complete original set to this car, which are gonna look awesome compared to these steel wheels with these big, sort of ugly plastic hubcaps. Some people like them, and some comments have expressed their dislike for them. I'm gonna lean more to the latter for the majority of people, so I'm really excited to get these on and see just how it transforms this car. My goal is for it to be more of a practical street car than an off-road wagon that you might see a few people turn these 240s into. So I like the style of these wheels and tires compared to these winter steels with the oversized tires. The tires don't have a ton of life left, but they're not cracked or dry rotted, so they'll roll until we get new tires on them. These factory wheels are just so cool. I think Volvo really hit the nail on the head with these. Just pulling these hubcaps off now before I take the wheels off. I think we're really gonna like these factory wheels. Just looking at these wheels without those hubcaps, I'm already liking the look of it. First wheel on, let's go. Looks clean, just gonna put a little air in it because they're probably flat from sitting. That's the driver's side all installed. I'm just gonna go ahead and install the passenger side quick. And there you have it. We've got the factory aluminum Volvo 240 wheels fully installed on here, and I think they're looking really cool. Really bringing this car together, getting it ready for spring and summer driving and adventuring. But this car is filthy from all the elements, so we're gonna give it a nice clean as well to really wrap up this awesome transformation and update on the Volvo 240. all clean now. It's looking so awesome. Super happy with how it's going so far. I know the past few weeks, I haven't been as active posting as I have been in the past, posting multiple times a week, but I've definitely got more coming your way and many great things. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and safe driving, everybody.